Hello, my karmically connected friend. Have you ever wondered, why do you sleep enough hours but still wake up with a body as heavy as lead? You reach for coffee, try to stretch, but that invisible mist of fatigue clings to you, refusing to disperse. You feel like you are just trying to survive the day, not truly living. The Buddha pointed out the deep root of this exhaustion thousands of years ago. If you see yourself in this, please be assured, you are not alone. And more importantly, your body is not broken. It is just trying to send you an urgent signal. The truth: the body is not broken. The breath is what's hurting. The truth may surprise you. Your body is not broken at all. What is truly hurting is your breath. Try observing right now. Is your breath very shallow, just slightly fluttering at the chest, and frequently interrupted whenever you are anxious? That is the breathing of a survival state, not a healing state. We are unintentionally starving cells of oxygen every day. When the breath is wrong, energy gets blocked. But the good news is, just by readjusting this bridge, the flow of life will automatically return. Practice now, touching life. Right now, wherever you are, pause everything for a moment. Gently place one hand on your heart. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale every burden. Can you feel it? Breath is not just air. It is a sacred ritual connecting you to life. If you have felt a spark of peace, please press the subscribe button right now so we can continue this healing journey together. Spiritual foundation. Awakening the sleeping dragon. My dear friend, in the wisdom of Buddhism and ancient meditation traditions, breath is not just biological gas exchange. It is qi, the flow of spirituality. Imagine inside your lower abdomen lies a massive source of life energy, like a sleeping dragon. When we breathe correctly, we awaken this dragon, releasing healing power throughout the body. Observe a newborn baby sleeping. You will see their belly rising and falling rhythmically and deeply. Or look at a cat sunbathing, its whole body absolutely relaxed with each breath. That is the primal breath, the breath of natural peace. But as we grow up, worries and pressures have made our breath shallow, short, and stuck in the chest. We forgot how to breathe life. And today, we will relearn that sacred first lesson together. Promise from within, connecting heart and belly. Before we go into the breathing technique, I want you to make a sacred commitment to yourself. Because technique is just a tool, while belief is the fuel. Right now, place your left hand on your chest, where the heart is beating, and place your right hand on your lower abdomen, right at the navel. Can you feel the warmth from your palms spreading inward? The left hand connects with the emotional center. The right hand connects with the source of vitality. When two hands touch the body, that is when you tell your body, I am here, I am listening, and I am sorry for having forgotten you for so long. Science says cells need at least 21 days to regenerate a new habit. So don't just try once and give up. Promise yourself, for the next 21 days, I will gift my body these healing breaths. This is not an exercise. This is a promise of love for yourself. Keep your hands there and let's begin. Daytime breath ritual. The rhythm of serenity. Now, sit up straight, relax your shoulders and face. We will practice the 4-4-6-2 breath ritual. This is the golden formula to instantly calm the nervous system. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds, and hold empty for 2 seconds. Extending the exhale sends a safety signal to the brain, extinguishing the fire of stress. Let's start with me. Round 1. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Welcome fresh energy. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Let the stillness seep deep. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let go of all fatigue through the mouth. Pause. 1, 2. Enjoy the empty space. Round 2. Inhale deep. Belly expands like a balloon. Hold. Feel the heart rate calming down. Exhale. Very slow, very smooth. Flatten the belly. Pause. Peace. Continue maintaining this rhythm. We will perform a full 7 rounds. In ancient healing traditions, the number 7 symbolizes a complete cycle of rebirth. Do not rush. There is no place to go. Nothing more important than this breath. Let peace fill every one of your cells. Body feedback. Signs of revival. My dear friend, keep this still posture a little longer and listen to the subtle changes within. Do you feel a gentle warmth spreading in the lower abdomen? Or a slight tingling sensation running along the spine and the back of the neck? That is the wonderful signal that the blocked energy flow has been cleared. The dragon of vitality inside you is stirring awake. Your heart is no longer beating rapidly from anxiety, but beating the peaceful rhythms of recovery. To achieve the highest healing effect, practice this ritual every morning upon waking, or before meals when the stomach is empty. Sit straight so the spine is like a sturdy bamboo tree, creating a clear runway for qi and blood to circulate. Cherish this lively feeling, for this is the gift of health that you yourself have just bestowed upon yourself. Transition. Night is the temple of the soul. My dear friend, if the daytime ritual helps you awaken powerful vitality, then the night holds the secret key to healing the soul. When the sun sets, the universe opens a sacred and absolutely silent space. That is when the boundary between you and the world blurs, a golden opportunity for the body to repair the deepest damages itself. But regrettably, we often unintentionally bring the worries, struggles, and dust of the day into sleep. We turn the temple of rest into a battlefield of chaotic thoughts. Don't let that happen for another night. Join me in stepping into the most important part of this journey, the energy release ritual before sleep. Nighttime breath ritual, emotional purification. When you are lying comfortably in bed, please do not rush to close your eyes and sleep immediately with a heavy head. Gift yourself the 4-8 release breath ritual. The rule here is, the exhale must be twice as long as the inhale. Inhale for 4 counts, but exhale for 8 counts. Why is that? Because when the exhale is extended, you are sending a coded signal to the brain that, I am safe. It is time to rest. Cortisol levels, the stress hormone, will drop immediately, giving way to deep relaxation. Let's start with me. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Absorb the silence of the night. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly, smoothly, pour out all turbid air through the mouth. And here is the most important key. While exhaling, silently chant this healing mantra. I release what doesn't belong to me. The anger of others? Release. Work pressure? Release. Anxieties about tomorrow? Release them. They do not belong to this sacred sleep. Return them to nothingness. Repeat this process exactly 9 times. The number 9 in spiritual culture symbolizes fulfillment and complete ending. Shed everything so your soul becomes empty, light as a leaf, ready to sink into the deepest healing sleep. Emotional healing. The trapped energy block. My dear friend, there is a profound truth we need to recognize. The exhaustion you are feeling sometimes does not come from doing too much physical work, but from having to strain to keep too many things inside. Unspoken words, sadness swallowed back in, or unhealed old wounds. They do not disappear naturally. They condense into dark, blocked energy masses, weighing heavy on the chest and silently draining your vitality every day. Your body is tired because it has to use all its energy to guard those emotional blocks from bursting. True healing is not taking more tonics, but release. Right now, imagine every time you exhale, dark clouds of resentment and anxiety are leaving your body with the breath, dissolving into nothingness. Don't hold them back anymore. Return lightness to the heart, so the stream of fresh energy has room to flow in. Breath philosophy. The forgotten simple truth. My dear friend, ask your heart a question that can shake your soul. Have you truly breathed throughout your life? Or are you just snatching air hurriedly enough to survive? We often hold our breath when afraid, breathe fast when angry, and breathe shallowly when anxious. For so many years, perhaps you have unintentionally starved yourself right in the midst of the vast atmosphere. Therefore, please do not blame yourself for being weak or for always lacking energy. You are not weak at all. You have just forgotten how to receive life. Breath is a natural power the universe grants equally to all. It does not require you to be rich, smart, or perfect to receive. As long as you are alive, you deserve to breathe fully. The moment you realize you are holding your breath and decide to inhale deeply, that is a subtle moment of enlightenment. That is when you say yes to life. Remember, returning to the breath is returning to the simplest and most peaceful truth, where all judgments about oneself vanish. Promise of transformation. After 21 days. My dear friend, miracles do not come from temporary effort, but from persistent perseverance. Commit with me to practicing this breath ritual continuously for the next 21 days. I promise you, transformation will happen. You will see your sleep become deep and seamless like a gentle river. Every morning upon waking, instead of heaviness, you will see your face brighten, skin radiant, and a steady source of energy flowing in your veins all day long. There will come a time when those around you will be surprised and wonder, "Why do you look so serene and full of vitality lately?" That is not by chance. That is the well-deserved reward for truly knowing how to love and nurture yourself. Conclusion and CTA. Breath Healing Community. The journey to find balance should not be a lonely one. We are building a community of awakened souls together. If this video has touched your heart, bringing you even a little relief, please help me spread this benevolent energy further. A like from you is great encouragement. A share to a friend who is tired is a way to sow seeds of peace in their life. Don't forget to press subscribe so we can continue to accompany each other in the next lessons. And before leaving, perform a small act with great power of commitment. Leave a comment below with the phrase, "I breathe to heal." When you write it down, you are sending a strong signal to the universe and your own subconscious. Thank you for listening and trusting. May every breath of yours carry peace and rebirth. Goodbye and see you again.